Hi, I'm Arvind. Welcome back to Manifest Mind USA. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to attract more money into your life in a real, simple way that works. No hype, no magic tricks, just clear steps you can start using today. Let's get started. Step 1, get your mind ready. Everything starts with your thoughts. If you constantly think, I never have enough money, your brain finds ways to prove it true. Instead, try telling yourself, I can earn more. Money is possible for me. You don't have to fake anything, just shift your mindset little by little. Start saying things like, money comes to me easily. I'm ready to receive. Opportunities are everywhere. Say these a few times a day, out loud, with belief. Step 2, picture the result. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine checking your bank balance. It says what you want, $5,000 or even $50,000. Your choice. Now feel it. What would it feel like? Relief? Freedom? Excitement? Hold that feeling. That's the real power of visualization. When you feel it, your brain believes it. Step 3, speak it daily. Say this with me. I am a magnet for money. I attract money while I sleep. Money supports me. You can say it in front of a mirror, in the shower, while driving. The key is present tense emotion. Don't say, I want money. Say, I have money. Step 4, be grateful now. Even if you have $10 or $1 in your pocket, say, thank you, I appreciate this. Gratitude is like telling the universe, hey, I noticed this blessing, I'm open to more. Every small income, discount, refund, appreciate it. The more thankful you are, the more you attract. Step 5, take one small step. Attracting money isn't about sitting still and waiting. Ask yourself, what can I do today to move closer to money? It could be sending a message to a client, starting a side hustle, learning a new skill. Action intention equals results. Step 6, let go of doubts. We all have thoughts like, money is hard, maybe I'm not lucky. But here's the truth. These are just old beliefs, not facts. Next time doubt shows up, tell it, I hear you, but I choose a better thought. Switch it to, money is getting easier for me. I'm open to more income. Step 7, make it a daily habit. Here's a simple daily plan. Morning, 1 minute of visualization. Afternoon, say your affirmations. Night, write down one thing you're thankful for. You don't need to be perfect, just be consistent. Small steps daily equals big results over time. Step 8, celebrate small wins. Got a $100 cash back? A surprise sale? Someone bought your product? Say, yes, thank you more please. Celebrating small wins brings in bigger ones. Your energy shifts, you feel positive, and money flows more freely. That's it, friends. If you follow these steps, visualize, speak, feel, act, and appreciate, money will start showing up in surprising ways. I'm Arvind, and you're watching Manifest Mind USA. If you like this video, do these 3 things. Like the video, comment, I'm ready to attract money. Subscribe for more real-life manifestation tips. Let's grow together. I'll see you in the next